I'm here at Bedford Falls, one of the newest semi-custom luxury communities here in Carmel. So let's go inside and take a peek.
Hi, I'm Jama Wilson from Bedford Falls of Carmel. I'm the sales manager here, and I would like to introduce you to our largest floor plan, the Bailey. And this is a 2560 square foot home on the main, and it does have availability to install a basement or finish the upstairs. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, which an open family concept here. And then we have 34 homes in this community with lots of amenities going up. Example of pickleball, hot tub, pool, wellness center, dog park. And then we take care of all your yard maintenance, your lawn and your snow removal. All you have to do is sit on this beautiful covered porch that is included on all the floor plans. We have 6 floor plans to choose from, and the price ranges run from 700s up to over $1 million, depending on the floor plan you choose and the lot.
Thanks for watching. If you're planning a move to Central Indiana, this channel is for you. I'm Janice with Indy's Home Team, Central Indiana Living. I help people relocate with clarity and with confidence. If you want an honest insight into neighborhoods, home prices, and daily life in the area, subscribe now. If a move is on your horizon, reach out. Let's build a smart plan before you buy. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like this video.